Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the reset now, so confirm power and network. Don't waste time checking unrelated settings. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is on the same Apple ID and nearby. Open the Home app, find the Homepod tile, then press and hold to view settings. Once there, scroll to the bottom and choose Reset Homepod or Remove Accessory depending on your iOS version. This begins the process. You'll see on-screen prompts. Follow them to proceed to the next stage. Once you've selected Remove Accessory, wait for the Home app to unregister the device and clear any iCloud associations. This can take a few seconds. If the app option fails or HomePod is unresponsive, use the manual method. Unplug, wait 10 seconds, plug back in, then press and hold the top surface. Keep holding past the white pulsing light until it turns red and you hear 3 beeps. This forces a full local factory reset on the speaker itself. Once the HomePod finishes resetting, it will announce readiness for setup. Open the Home app and tap Add Accessory to reconfigure it with your Wi-Fi and Apple ID. Make sure your iPhone has Bluetooth on and iOS updated so the setup pairs smoothly. If setup stalls or the HomePod still shows as owned, reboot your router and try the manual reset again. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account release assistance. This tip resolves most ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.